Are you ready to go back? Or are you still hunting? Come on, let's go back. She'll come when she's ready. Good boy. You like the woods. Don't be going down there, it's all wet. Oh well. Go on, you're only a dog. I think she's a Labrador Retriever. It's going to take hours to groom you, buddy. Come on. Happy dog. What a happy fellow. Good jump. Good jump, buddy. Good heavens. You're supposed to lose some of this energy when you're in the woods. Yes. I know. Have you forgotten that you don't have a line on you? There he goes. Oh, that's always nice. Quick turns. Very quick. Come on, let's go this way. Don't be jumping. Nothing but water down there. Does that taste good? Tart Chocolate Lab. Silly dog. Are you fishing now? Are you frogging? Too cold for frogs. Silly dog. Silly dog. Handsome dog. King of the forest. Maybe you're really a water spaniel. That could be. Maybe you're really a racehorse. Jeez. What a handsome boy. Are you ready to go in? Come on, let's go and get my hands warmed up and get a cup of tea. How about it? Not worried about my hands, are you? What do you want? More running is what you want. Are you ready to go in? That was a no. There you go. Take a bath now and I won't have to wash you when I get you in. That's helpful. Good dog. That's enough.